Hey everybody, it's Mark again. Today we'll be doing equations with fractions, and I know most of you guys don't like working with fractions, neither do I. I don't like fractions either, but we can do this. So, hopefully you learned something.
So, our equation is 1/2 x plus 2/3 x plus 9 all equals 64. Alright, let's get going. So, we see our fractions. We don't want to work with the fractions. So, what we should do is cancel out our fractions. Let's get rid of them, alright? So, let's look at these two denominators, the 3 and the 6. And we have to think to ourselves, what's the least number, the lowest common multiple that will go into 3 and 6? 2 and 3, which will be 6. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 6 by everything. So we have 1/2 x times the 6 over 1. So 6 over 1. And now we have our 2/3 times the 6 over 1. And now we have 9 times our 6, which is equal to 64 times 6. There. Now what we have to do is our multiplication. So over here, 6 over 1 times 1/2. What we can do is cross cancel. So our 2 can go in our 6 twice. That'll be 1 with a 3 left over. And over here, our 3 and 6 cancel out, right? So 3 can go into 6 once. And we have a 2 left over. And over here, 9 times 6 is 54. And 64 times 6, well, let's work that out. 64, 6. 6 can go into 4. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 6 is 36. Plus 2 is 38. So 384. So let's write down our equation now. Let's see what we got. So we have 3x plus, well, we have a 2 in our numerator, times our 2, which is going to be 4x plus our 54 equals our 384. Okay, so now what we can do is we can collect our like terms, alright? So let's start collecting. Our 3x and our 4x. That'll give us 7x. Plus our 54 is equal to 384. Now we're not done yet. We want the x to be all by itself. So what we have to do is subtract the 54, right? Subtract 54 from our 384. And so now we have 7x equals, what's 384 minus 54? Well, first what's 4 minus 4 is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3, and we have our 3 left over. So that's 7x equals 330. Now the x still is not by itself, so we have to keep going, right? So what we're going to have to do is divide both sides by 7. So let's do that. Let's take our 7, divide by 7, take our 330, and divide by 7. 7's cancel out, so now we have x equals. So now what we should do is divide our 330 by 7. So let's see, 330 by 7. 7 can't go into 3, but 7 can go into 33 4 times, right? So let's put our 4, let's put our 28. We're going to have to borrow from our neighbor. Make that a 2, make that a 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. We're going to have to bring down our 0. So 7 into 50 is 7 times. So that'll be 49. So gotta borrow, make that a 1. Okay, so 10 minus 9 is 1. So what we have left is 47 and 1/7. So there's our answer, folks. 47 and 1/7. I hope that helped you guys. I hope that helped you guys. If it did, you can comment, let me know how it went for you guys. Or you can ask me to make certain videos, like if you need help with certain problems, you can ask me to make those. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.